Hello everyone, welcome to my project presentation. Today I'm excited to introduce my project game, Pinball Battle Royale. The contents are as follows: Introduction, Game Design and Implementation, Challenges and Solutions, Highlights and Achievements, Future Enhancements and Closing Remarks, and Conclusion. It is a groundbreaking multiplayer online game that uniquely combines the high energy of Battle Royale with the timeless mechanics of pinball, all experienced from a first-person perspective. My motivation for this innovative project was to create a standout gaming experience in a saturated market by merging two beloved genres into one cohesive and thrilling format. My goal was to design a game that not only captures the interest of a diverse audience but also challenges their strategic thinking and quick flexes in a dynamic and competitive environment. I aim to deliver an original, engaging, and intense gameplay experience that pushes the boundaries of conventional gaming. In developing Pinball Battle Royale with Unity, I really focused on how the design would impact the game. I created 5 unique islands, each with its own terrain, to serve as dynamic battlefields for the players who are represented as pinballs. Moving away from traditional pinball mechanics, where losing often means falling into the hole, I changed the game. In my version, players are eliminated if they get knocked into the sea or small pools on these islands, where they gradually lose health until they're out. I also made the pinballs bigger and bouncier to enhance the first-person gameplay. This not only makes the game more fun but also amplifies the interactions between players, making every collision feel more impactful. These changes have reshaped the traditional pinball into a strategy-driven battle game that's all about outmaneuvering your opponents. When players enter a room, each one spawns on a high platform. From here, players have the freedom to jump down towards the island of their choice. This feature not only increases the autonomy for each player, but also enhances the overall gameplay and fun by offering the thrill of leaping from great heights, without the worry of fall damage, thanks to our game design. Additionally, players can enjoy the exhilarating bounce when they hit the ground, which adds a unique layer of excitement to the game experience. With respect to game UI, in the game interface, I've incorporated an exit button on every screen, allowing players to easily exit the game whenever they wish. If you accidentally hit the exit button, there's no need to worry. I've added a confirmation screen. The game will only exit if you confirm by clicking the confirm button. Otherwise, clicking cancel will take you back to the previous screen. On the lobby screen, players can enter their nicknames, making it easier to recognize friends or opponents during the game. Furthermore, by simply entering a room name and hitting the Create or Join button, players will be directed to a room. All players who join the game can see the room names and the number of players currently online in the lobby. By selecting a room, its name will automatically populate in an input field below, and clicking Create or Join will take you into the room. It's worth noting that in the main game scene, player health bars are created using slider components. Through coding, I have realized that if a player falls into the sea, their health smoothly decreases until it reaches 0, resulting in deaths. Additionally, I've set up a death screen in the game interface. After dying, players can click Restart to return to the lobby, where they can change their nicknames or choose another room to join for a new game. Alternatively, players can choose to exit the game. It's worth mentioning that from the very first screen to the end, all UI elements have been carefully chosen to reflect the game scene. The typography and button styles are rounded and playful, aligning with the pinball aesthetic. Regarding sound effects in-game, I have integrated specific background music into each scene. I've also set up sound effects for pinball collisions and button presses. The overall scene is light and cheerful, perfectly complementing the fast-paced, competitive nature of Pinball Royale Battle. One of the biggest challenges in developing Pinball Battle Royale was implementing the online multiplayer aspect. Initially, integrating real-time multiplayer gameplay was daunting because it required not just game programming skills but also a solid understanding of network coding, which was new territory for me. At the beginning, I struggled with understanding the logic and sequence of how games and networking code interact. To overcome this, I turned to Photon Pound 2, a powerful networking framework found in the Unity Asset Store, designed especially for multiplayer games. Photon makes it possible to synchronize player movements and interactions across different devices seamlessly. It handles all the complex networking logic, allowing developers like me to focus more on the gameplay aspects. By using Photon, I was able to ensure that players could see each other move in real time and interact dynamically within the game environment, such as colliding with one another effectively. This solution not only solved the initial challenges but also enriched the overall multiplayer experience, making the game a competitive and interactive arena. In Pinball Battle Royale, I have incorporated several unique elements that I would like the judge to take note of. The first is unique game mechanics. The game uniquely combines the classic fun of pinball with the tense strategy of a battle royale. This innovative blend creates a novel gameplay experience that pushes the boundaries of traditional game genres. The second is island design and setup. While the internal models of these islands were sourced online, I personally designed the layout of these islands. I meticulously arranged every object, considering its physical properties like collision volumes as well as its size, rotation, and interaction with players. Every element is placed to enhance gameplay, either through scripting or through strategic scene construction. Last but not least, the networked multiplayer is successful. Implementing networked multiplayer was a significant achievement, especially using the free Photon framework. While there is a slight latency, the performance is impressive for a free service. Players can create their own rooms, invite friends, and each game session operates independently within its own room, ensuring no interference between different matches. These achievements not only demonstrate technical skill but also a deep commitment to creating an engaging and interactive gaming environment. As for the game's shortcomings and potential future enhancements, due to the scale of the game, implementation challenges, and constraints in game and effort, I have not yet added several features that could enhance the gameplay experience. These include customizable skins for the player pinballs, and random in-game power-ups like shields, health packs, and elasticity boosters on the island. Photon Pound 2, a free networking framework, has its limitations in terms of latency and fluidity during gameplay. As technology progresses, Pound 2's architecture may become outdated. Photon Fusion, on the other hand, represents a more current trend in multiplayer networking solutions and could potentially offer improvements in future game updates. Pinball Battle Royale represents a significant leap forward in blending traditional gameplay with modern multiplayer dynamics. I've successfully introduced a game where strategy, skill, and social interaction come together in a vivid, immersive world. Despite facing initial technical challenges, particularly in networking, I utilized innovative solutions like Photon Pound 2 to create a seamless multiplayer experience. Looking forward, I plan to expand the game's features, enhance its performance, and continue pushing the boundaries of the interactive gaming. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you are as excited about the future of Pinball Battle Royale as I am.